How to crimp an RJ45 Cat5 to an Ethernet cable. First, you cut the Ethernet cable to make sure the cables are aligned. Your hand to unwind and separate the wires. Arrange the wires in the order: orange, blue, green, brown, with the white striped wires separating them. Make sure they are straight and aligned, then cut to shorten them in a straight line. Attach the RJ45 clip with the hook facing away from you. Use the crimping tool to permanently attach the wires to the cable.